From the soaring Himalayas draped in snow to the sun-kissed beaches of the south, India unfurls before us, a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of diverse landscapes, ancient traditions, and a spirit of boundless adventure. Our journey today takes us beyond the well-trodden path, venturing into the heart of India to uncover hidden gems, places where time seems to stand still and nature's artistry remains untouched. Join me as we embark on an unforgettable odyssey, beginning in the mist-shrouded hills of the northeast and traversing across deserts, rainforests, and ancient cities, each step revealing the soul of India in all its raw beauty. We begin our voyage in the northeast, a land often shrouded in mist and mystery, a place where ancient traditions whisper on the wind. Here, nestled amidst the rolling hills of Meghalaya, lies Shillong, fondly known as the Scotland of the East. As we ascend into the hills, the air grows cooler, carrying the scent of pine and damp earth. Waterfalls cascade down verdant slopes, their music echoing through the valleys. Our journey now carries us westward, to the sun-drenched plains of Odisha, where a testament to India's glorious past stands in silent grandeur. The Konark Sun Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, rises from the earth like a colossal chariot, its intricate carvings narrating tales of a bygone era. The temple is a marvel of ancient engineering and artistry, its every inch adorned with sculptures depicting deities, celestial beings, and scenes from daily life. Our quest for India's hidden wonders now leads us deep into the heart of Chhattisgarh, a land of dense forests and cascading waterfalls. Here, the Indravati River takes a dramatic plunge, transforming into the breathtaking Chitrakote Falls, often hailed as the Niagara of India. The roar of the water crashing onto the rocks below is deafening, a testament to the raw power of nature. We journey south to Karnataka, to a land where time seems to have stopped. Here, amidst a surreal landscape of giant boulders and ancient ruins, lies Hampi, once the thriving capital of the Vijayanagara Empire. The remnants of palaces, temples, and marketplaces whisper tales of a glorious past, their grandeur still evident in the intricate carvings and towering gateways. Our adventure takes an intriguing turn as we arrive in Puducherry, a coastal town with a distinctly French flavor. The scent of freshly baked croissants mingles with the salty sea air as we stroll along the promenade, its colonial architecture painted in pastel hues. But beyond the charming facades lies a deeper spiritual side, beckoning us to the serene community of Auroville, a universal city dedicated to peace and human unity. Prepare to be mesmerized as we venture into the ethereal landscape of the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat. This vast white salt desert stretches as far as the eye can see, shimmering under the scorching sun. During the Rann Utsav, the desert transforms into a vibrant spectacle of music, dance, and cultural performances, a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Kutchi people. Our exploration takes us to the heart of India, to the city of Bhopal, adorned with serene lakes and historical monuments. We delve into the past at the Bhimbetka Rock Shelters, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, home to prehistoric cave paintings that offer a glimpse into the lives of our ancestors. These ancient artworks depict scenes of hunting, dancing, and everyday life, connecting us to a time immemorial. Our journey now takes us far from the mainland, to the Emerald Isles of Andaman and Nicobar, scattered like jewels in the Bay of Bengal. Here, pristine beaches meet turquoise waters, and lush rainforests teem with exotic life. We'll encounter ancient tribes who have called these islands home for centuries, their lives deeply intertwined with the rhythms of nature. We return to the Himalayas, this time to the enchanting kingdom of Sikkim. Here, snow-capped peaks pierce the sky, prayer flags flutter in the wind, and ancient monasteries cling to the hillsides. We'll trek through lush valleys, encountering cascading waterfalls, rhododendron forests ablaze with color, and perhaps even catch a glimpse of the elusive red panda. Our extraordinary journey culminates in Nagaland, where we witness the vibrant Hornbill Festival, a celebration of the Naga tribe's rich cultural heritage. The air thrums with the beat of drums, the rhythmic chants of warriors, and the joyous laughter of children. We'll witness traditional dances, intricate costumes, and ancient rituals, experiencing the warmth and hospitality of the Naga people firsthand. Our exploration of India's hidden gems has taken us on a truly unforgettable voyage, from snow-capped peaks to sun-drenched deserts, from ancient temples to vibrant festivals. We've witnessed the country's incredible diversity, its rich cultural heritage, and the warmth of its people. But India's beauty lies not just in its iconic landmarks, but in these lesser-known corners, where the true essence of the country shines through.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe for more videos.